Hello viewers, here is an Oreck vacuum. I wouldn't go as far as to say I collect vacuums, at least not yet, who knows. But this is one of the models I was looking to get. This one is not the exact model, but it's very comparable. This is, I gotta pull this off to see the information tag here. This is model, that's way too long to read, I'll just show it on video. So this is one of those shoulder vacuums, and of course this is all jacked up now. Oh dear. Okay, that was probably really cringy to watch. Well, anyways, that's back together now. So this, you know, the theory is you put this strap on. Of course, it's all tangled up in the cord, but you put the strap over your shoulder, and then it's got the short hose, and you can clean a, you know, hard floor or whatever with this. It's in really good condition. Well, sans this needs to be repainted or something, but it only came with one of these and this. Now, actually it also came with these bags too, which is kind of nice. There's a lot of them in here too. And I imagine these are probably getting harder to find. Although perhaps the newer models that still use that bag, I don't know. But anyways, a long time ago, I had another vacuum that used a hose, and I guess it quit or something. I don't even remember, it's been so long. But I held on to these, and of course again, what are you keeping those for? Well, here we are. I've had these in the closet for probably 10 years now, and well, now they have a new use. I'll use them with this vacuum because this is not nearly long enough to actually use the floor, or clean the floor rather, whatever. So let's open this up here. Now, it didn't come with any of the attachments, but I have, does this turn? It does. All the attachments that go with my shop vac will fit, so it's not unusable. Okay, so here's the, oh man, this is all sorts of tangled up. Now I don't remember exactly how this opens up to change the bag. Maybe it goes like this. Something's got to be happening when I do that. Just want to make sure there is actually a bag in here before I go and use it. Here we go. Yep, there is a bag in there, and it's relatively clean. It looks like it was just maybe tested or something. The inside is pretty clean too. There's the fan in there. This is the filter over it. Honestly, this thing looks like it was almost never used. Maybe somebody can tell me in the comments box how to read that date code that's on there. I got this at the Habitat, and sometimes they have stuff there that's relatively new. If this is the original bag, this is hardly ever used. You can see there's some dust in there, but that's it. Okay. Like the motor has a thermally resetting, a resetting thermal fuse. Yes, it is late again. I gotta do these videos earlier in the day so I can still talk. Alright. Let's go ahead and connect the hose. does have a twist lock on there so it won't come undone. And looks like that should work. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Now, of course the table's not that dirty, so we won't be able to see it in action, but let's see if it works at least. It's a lot quieter than I thought it was going to be. The upright vacuum I have from Oreck is bloody loud. But yeah, it seems to work. It's relatively powerful. And I got nothing to clean up in here, but next time I make a mess, we'll use this and see how it works. I don't think there's any point in taking this apart and servicing it. It looks relatively new. It's 4 amps. And this really doesn't look like it was ever used much at all. That's cool. Alright, well there's the Oreck, whatever the model number was.